Oh my god, oh my god, blah, blah, big up, big up.
Welcome to my Halloween vlog. Stay tuned, it's a party. Are you ready?
Yeah. Here we go, guys. We're going in Halloween.
Whoa.
I wanna.
Where you want to start first? Does it come alive? Oh, it moves. Oh, that one's a little scary. Well, let's walk through. Oh, is the right? Oh, there you go. Ooh, inside.
Just stop right there. I still got around. Ball for ball, real hard. You know I got a shot. Ball for ball, real hard. Y'all know I rap,
Another clown? Yeah. What's something with make us, oh, it got boxing gloves. You want to be that for Halloween? Huh? I think you could do your makeup. I can have you look just like it.
We got sauce.
Ooh. Look at that one. Do it again. Don't be scared now. It stands up. That's cool. Look at this one, Dang. She look crazy. That don't even look like Tiffany.
Huh?
What? I want to see what the doll does. The girl. Oh, look, her bag is moving. What's in the bag? What you got in that bag? She looks really crazy. Oh, hell no.
My sister used to be Mommy's favorite.
Oh, my. See, that's tall. Another one? Oh, the Halloween bags. This is cool. What are you about to ride? Huh? Which one are you getting on?
I'm going upstairs.
The top one?
Yeah.
Alright.
What you gonna
Come on, Ezzy, ride that thing.
I can go picture.
Okay, it's not that bad. If you just chill. I'm not kicking my feet. Ooh, oh my God, I felt that in my stomach. I hope I'm not doing too much because I know I already put like so much stuff in my hair, but I'm thinking about adding this piece because I wanted to give the pirate look. So like that means you can have anything hanging from your hair. I thought that would look so cute. Tell me what you think. Yeah, that's cute, right?
Crackers on them never preach. Crackers on them never preach. Infiltrate the enemy, moving on them randomly.
Now I'm the one that's lying, and I don't feel bad about it. It's exactly what you get. I've been collecting my guns and I don't get my mind. I ain't thinking about you. I ain't thinking about you. Hey! I ain't thinking about you. Alright. I ain't thinking about you. Then I'm thinking about you.
For the silicone, everybody fake now. You can cut a call, bust down everything. Set the rose gold.
Off up in the island, screams turn to silence.
Real niggas and ratchet bitches.
And the rat when the rat too scared. I fuck my bitch and I get back to business.
Ride with the gang, it's a must. And I rich little bitch and I lay low weight when the smoke got a trail like a slug. Look at her eyes. Yeah, I can tell she a boss. She rapping the game and I felt she was mine. She thought this sassy, yeah, free guy. I feel the money niggas gonna die.
I was with a bubble, grimy ass fuck, but I'm a sexy motherfucker. Rich motherfucker, tell that bitch I love her. I'm just tryna cut her, Uber Eats a double. See, I'm a handsome motherfucker, but I clap a motherfucker. Think my chopper nervous when this bitch gon' start to stutter. Catch him out in traffic, it's rush hour with no Chris Tucker. Found life with this shit, you know I'm riding for my brothers. And bitch don't get too comfortable, out the cut they comfort. 20 Glocks, think 1 and 2 hoes, in bitch stop like a luncher.
Oh, you motherfucker. You motherfucker. I hang out in Pelican Bay when I'm done with you. Not killing you. Go rub marshmallow. You say.
Oh, that what I mean. Slide on a nigga with the front foot. Yeah, slide. Hey, my bitch so loco. Go loco.
Wow. She sound like that? Wow. Girl, bruh. She was 18, like, yeah, she got a booty, she got boobs, and she got OnlyFans. Girl, this was a million. She don't do OnlyFans no more. She be on TikTok doing this shit. Bitch! They took it to 10.